See what's up, VA? I'm your host, Troy Michelle, bringing you all the cool events coming your way this weekend. So let's jump right in with a little health and fitness on Friday, January 30th. Start celebrating the year of you as Style Weekly and RVAstrong.com are teaming up for a mind-body meetup and healthy happy hour. From 4 to 7 p.m., meet wellness, health, and beauty experts and discover ways to stick to your New Year's resolution. Tap 26 Wine will be there with proceeds benefiting the Virginia Breast Cancer Foundation. It's free and family friendly. The only suggestion is to bring a canned food item to donate to help replenish the Central Virginia Food Bank after the holidays. After your good deed, treat yourself to a good time. Join members of the coalition for an informal night of gaming madness. Compete against others, play for fun, or bring your own. Casual board games and tabletop games will also be available, and all guests are encouraged to bring their own games to play and share. It's free, and the theater bar will be open. The fun starts at 10 p.m. Or you could celebrate National Backwards Day with the best family-friendly comedy show in Richmond at West End Comedy. They're bringing improv to Hat Theater in a Whose Line Is It Anyway format that's a guaranteed giggle. So bring the entire family and enjoy. Tickets start at $5 and the show starts at 7:30. Then, on Saturday, January 31st, watch Richmond's biggest rivals battle it out on the basketball court. Head to the Siegel Center as the VCU Rams take on the Richmond Spiders. The showdown starts at 2 p.m. Or you could head all the way down to the bottom and make your way to the top for Fight Night, the live pay-per-view fight viewing party. Catch Silva versus Diaz battle it out for the title. Everyone on the guest list gets in free before 11:30. Want to be on the list? It's simple. Text your name to 804-210-6933. For live entertainment, catch Ingrid Michaelson performing at the National at 8 p.m. And Tammy Pescatelli is headlining at the Funny Bone all weekend long. There's so much to do and so little time. Now, who says there's nothing to do in Richmond? Be sure to like CW Richmond TV on Facebook and follow on Instagram and Twitter. I'm Troy Michelle. I'll see you around, Richmond.